Welcome to our channel. If you want to invite team members to your Canva Pro account and collaborate on designs together, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete team setup and member invitation. Step 1. Log in to your Canva Pro account on the Canva website. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Your Teams or Team from the drop-down menu. Step 3. If you haven't created a team yet, click Create a Team and give your team a name that represents your organization or project. Step 4. Once your team is created, click Invite Members or look for the invitation option in your team settings. Step 5. Enter the email addresses of team members you want to invite. You can add multiple email addresses separated by commas. Step 6. Choose the role for each team member. Options typically include member with standard access or admin with additional management permissions. Step 7. Add a personal message to your invitation if desired, explaining why you're inviting them to join your Canva team. Step 8. Click Send Invitations to email the invitations to all specified team members. Step 9. Invited members will receive an email with a link to join your team. They'll need to create a Canva account if they don't already have one. Step 10. Monitor your team member list to see who has accepted invitations and who hasn't yet responded. You can resend invitations if needed. Step 11. Set up shared folders within your team to organize collaborative projects and make designs accessible to all team members. Step 12. Configure team settings such as brand kits, templates, and design permissions to control what team members can access and modify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.